How to create a new account in Mobile Legends with no download resources. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account in Mobile Legends with no download resources. Start by opening the game on your mobile device. When it opens, select your country from the list and tap OK to proceed. Next, choose a hero to start the game. Pick your desired hero and then tap Confirm. You can skip downloading extra resources and directly start playing the game with the basic setup. Your new account will be created, and you can enjoy Mobile Legends without waiting for extra downloads. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.